Happy Easter!
Ew! You furries are weird!
I'm not a furry! I'm the Easter Bunny. I'm going to the orphanage to hand out Easter candy to kids.
Oh, in that case, I've got something for you.
What?
An Easter poem. Hippity-hoppity, my dick is flappity. Slap it on your face. Ooh, good times.
Ew, I don't want that on my face.
That's not what your mama said last night.
Get off my mom.
Oh, I already did. You're gonna have to start calling me daddy from now on, like she does.
Oh, that is getting really old. Ow!
Don't be lipping off to daddy.
Why are you so grumpy?
'Cause I hate Easter.
Why?
When we were kids, we were so poor we didn't get painted eggs. We could only afford painted rocks.
What do you do with a painted rock? Ah!
Happy Easter! You look like a tampon. I'm gonna start calling you Tampon McVagina.